50 advanced words with meanings and sentences.
Abundant, more than enough. Fresh water is abundant in this area. Accurate, correct and exact. The report is accurate and reliable. Adapt to change according to situation. We must adapt to new technology. Adequate, enough for a need. She has adequate experience for the job. Ambitious, having strong goals. He is ambitious about his career. Analyze, to examine carefully. The doctor analyzed the test results. Anticipate, to expect something. We anticipate good results this year. Appreciate, to value or thank. I really appreciate your help. Assertive, confident and firm. She is assertive but polite. Authentic, real and genuine. This dish tastes authentic. Beneficial, helpful or useful. Exercise is beneficial for health. Brief, short in time or words. The manager gave a brief speech. Challenging, difficult but interesting. Learning English is challenging. Clarify, to make clear. Please clarify your question. Consistent, done regularly. She is consistent in her studies. Crucial, very important. Sleep is crucial for children. Decline, to decrease or refuse. Sales declined last month. Dedicate, to give time and effort. He dedicated himself to teaching. Demonstrate, to show clearly. She demonstrated the process. Efficient, working well without waste. This machine is very efficient. Emphasize, to give importance. The teacher emphasized grammar. Enhance, to improve. Music enhances mood. Essential, absolutely necessary. Water is essential for life. Evaluate, to judge carefully. They evaluated his performance. Flexible, able to change easily. She has a flexible schedule. Generate, to produce. The project will generate income. Genuine, honest and real. He showed genuine concern. Implement, to put into action. The plan was implemented quickly. Inevitable, certain to happen. Change is inevitable. Innovative, new and creative. She has innovative ideas. Insight, deep understanding. The book gives useful insight. Maintain, to keep in good condition. He maintains good discipline. Moderate, not too much or too little. Exercise should be moderate. Motivate, to encourage. The speech motivated the students. Notable, worth noticing. There was a notable improvement. Objective, fair and unbiased. Try to be objective. Optimize, to use best way. We need to optimize resources. Perspective, way of thinking. Try to see from her perspective. Prioritize, to decide what is most important. She prioritized her health. Reliable, can be trusted. He is a reliable employee. Resilient, able to recover quickly. Children are very resilient. Significant, important and meaningful. There is a significant change. Sustainable, can continue long term. We need sustainable solutions. Transparent, open and honest. The process was transparent. Transform, to change completely. Education can transform lives. Uncertain, not sure. The future is uncertain. Versatile, able to do many things. She is a versatile teacher. Viable, workable and practical. This plan is viable. Willing, ready to do something. He is willing to help. Worthwhile, valuable. The effort was worthwhile. Accomplish, to successfully finish something. She accomplished her goal through hard work. Acknowledge, to accept or admit. He acknowledged his mistake. Allocate, to distribute for a purpose. The company allocated funds for training. Appeal, to attract or interest. This job appeals to me. Assess, to evaluate carefully. The teacher assessed the student's work. Assume, to believe without proof. I assumed he was at home. Comprehend, to understand fully. She could not comprehend the question. Contribute, to give help or support. Everyone should contribute to the team. Convey, to express or communicate. Her smile conveyed happiness. Determine, to decide firmly. We must determine the cause. Eliminate, to remove completely. They eliminated unnecessary steps. Endure, to suffer patiently. She endured many difficulties. Establish, to set up or create. He established a small business. Exceed, to go beyond. The results exceeded expectations. Identify, to recognize. Can you identify the problem? Justify, to give a reason. He justified his decision. Neglect, to fail to care for. Do not neglect your health. Pursue, to follow or work toward. She wants to pursue her dreams. Retain, to keep or remember. It is hard to retain new words. Tolerate, to accept without complaining. I cannot tolerate rude behavior.